Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to neutralize chlorine gas, only way. Do not attempt to neutralize chlorine gas yourself. Prioritize safety and call emergency responders immediately. If you believe you are exposed, move to fresh air, avoid enclosed areas, and get medical help right away. Stay calm, keep others away from the area, and inform authorities about the location and symptoms you observe so professionals can handle the hazard safely. In this video, I will explain how to neutralize chlorine gas, only way. Focus first on safe evacuation and alerting others rather than trying to solve the release yourself. Professional hazmat teams have specialized equipment and training to assess concentration, decontaminate safely, and contain sources. Follow instructions from emergency services, avoid re-entering the area, and keep a safe distance until authorities declare the scene secure and clear for return. In this video, I will explain how to neutralize chlorine gas, only way. Quick recommendation. On another note, the book The Simple Path to Wealth can help you think clearly about money and reduce stress during emergencies. If you like the channel, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the book link and other deals if you want to follow up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to neutralize chlorine gas, only way. When emergency responders arrive, give clear, concise information about the event and any observations you made. Describe visible signs like yellow-green clouding, unusual smells, or physical effects on people or animals. Accurate details help teams prioritize resources and choose appropriate protective gear and treatment. Your observations can speed rescue and reduce further harm to the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.